जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 222nd नामम from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Srimate Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who is having the radiant effulgence. You are the one who is possessing the transcendental glory. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Srimate Namaha. Om Srimate Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sumantra conveying all the messages from Sita Rama Lakshmana to Dasaratha Maharaju. In that process, Sumantra is saying that, "Oh Maharaja, Sri Ramachandra Swami told me also something." What is that, you know? "Oh Sumantra, my mother Kausalya Devi, having all her hopes only on me, can you please take care of my Mata Kausalya Devi just like your mother?" Sri Ramachandra Swami said like this and moved to tears. "Oh Maharaja, now I am going to tell you what exactly Lakshmana told." Lakshmana conveyed the message. By the way, Lakshmana is in so much anger. With all of his anger, he said like this, "Oh Maharaja, you sent my brother Rama to the forest having no reason and having no fault in my Rama. Such big mistake you have done. Oh Maharaja, just because Kaikeyi said something, you have followed her words as if it is a big Rajasasanam, and you just implemented as it is whatever she asked. Such big mistake you have committed. Oh Maharaja, you did not even think for a second that whether it is right or wrong. And without thinking, you have taken a big step which nobody would appreciate in this entire world. How can I treat you as my father? The one who has done such a big mistake, how can I treat you as my father? Aham tavan maharaje Pitrutvam nopalakshaye. From now onwards, I cannot see you as my father. From now onwards, Bhrata, Bharta cha, Bandhuscha, Pita cha, Mama Raghavaha. My brother, my father, my protector, my relation, everything is my Rama only for me. Oh Maharaja, do you know that? You probably know that nobody hates Rama in this entire world. At the same time, Rama hates no one in this entire world. Rama always feels like doing favor to each and every entity in this entire world. Such Rama, you sent him to the forest. Then tell me, who would like you in this entire world? Nobody would like you. Maybe Bharata-like people would like you, but nobody likes you. Ho Maharaja, you have taken a step by which the entire your kingdom, all the citizens are facing so much of grief. Then tell me, how can you be even called as a king? The one who caused so much grief to the citizens. Katham Raja Bhavishyasi. You cannot be a king also. Like this, O Maharaja, Lakshmana said like this with his so much of distress and anger. Now I am telling you what Sitamma expressed. Sitamma did not say a single word. O Maharaja, Nisvasanti Manaswini. She is just maintaining silence and calmness. But her calmness expressing so much, Maharaja. She is looking like as if an insentient. She is looking like that so many things are going on without any of my interference and no control I have over these things. That kind of expression we can see in her calmness. O Maharaja, this is what Sitamma, Lakshmana and Ramachandra Swami conveyed their messages to you and to all mothers and to Bharata. Like this, Sumantra said everything to Maharaja, Dasaratha Maharaj. Then what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 24th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Agranihi, Gramanihi, Sriman, Nyayo Neta, Samiranaha, Sahasramurdha, Visvatma, Sahasrakshaha, Sahasrapat, Om. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Srimate Namaha. Om Srimate Namaha. Om Srimate Namaha.